Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. So in this video we are going to be making some iron on crop top. So I got all these patches from Amazon, all of them. So and also got the crop tops from Amazon as well. They're really nice and thick. Like they were only like what, $8? Definitely recommend them. So what you're gonna need is parchment paper, some patches, iron-on patches to be exact, some iron, some crop tops, or whatever you want to iron on, and that is it. This is pretty simple. So the first thing we're gonna do is I had this cute little one that said Jamaica on it. I was like, I had to get it. It was only $2. So I'm just going to place it down, push the parchment paper on top of it, and just iron it on for exactly 10 seconds or 20 seconds, and you're good to go. Simple as that. And just like that, we're done. And it turned out perfectly. This is my favorite shirt. Well, my second favorite, but you get the idea. So now I'm going to be redoing the same steps over again. Placing the patch onto the shirt, then placing the parchment paper on top, and then you're going to iron it on. Iron it on. The reason why we're using the parchment paper is if you just place the iron on top of it, then some of the fabric on the patch is going to be lifting up. So it's best to just lay something on top of it. That helps a lot. So yeah. And that is it. Just keep on doing this over and over again for however many shirts that you want to make. This one turned out so cute. I decided to add two little stars on there so it could be like a space galaxy. Don't know why, but yep. This one right here is my favorite. The white top with this butterfly. Is it a butterfly? No, it's like a little bees or wasp. I don't know what it called, but it had glitter on it, so definitely give it a 10 out of 10. For this one, I decided to add on 3 on there, so I'm gonna need a little bigger amount of parchment paper so you can cover up all of it. So I can just do it all in one go, which I could have just used a single paper, but it is me. I don't have any idea what I'm gonna do with the rest of those patches. There are probably like 400 of them. So if you have any idea, comment down below. This is how all of the shirts turned out. This is the first one. And you got a space galaxy. Cute. This is like a new little top. Perfect. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.